All right, part I guess 4. Another tip if you wanted bonus points, I guess. Usually, after you stir it up, just take the net and kind of go around and take off anything on the surface that's there. Also, I do try to check these, every time you come out. Right now, this one looks really quite clean, so you really don't have to do anything about it. I've seen nastiness in there, dead chipmunks, bugs. Anyway, yeah, if there's something like that in there, you gotta try to get it out. And anytime you can get whatever you can get off the surface is better, because then it doesn't decay and float to the bottom where you gotta stir it up and filter it. So anyway, that's it. Thanks.